My name is Woinee Miriam. Today I'm cooking a taste of Ethiopian Christmas Ganna. So I'm choosing the lentil dish, turmeric lentil one, which is, we call it Alicha Misir. That's my favorite, with a jalapeno also on top of it. That's perfect. That's the one I'm going to show you how to cook. For Ethiopian Christmas, before the Christmas, we fast for Lent. We fast about 2 months for Ethiopian Christmas, and we eat nothing animal dish or no fish, nothing like that. So we eat vegetarian or vegan. On Lent time, on fasting time, my mom used to always make this for us, especially for people who is not into cooking. This is like a perfect meal to start. It's so simple and it is so amazing. You put your olive oil in a medium-high, let it heat like for a few seconds. Then you're gonna put your diced onion, yellow onion. We will let it saute for a few minutes before we put our spices or ingredients. I learned this from my mom. She loves making this actually because there was 10 of us. Most of us were very young too. So because of that, we can handle the hot stuff. So this will be a good flavor food for us to eat. No one wears dark clothes for Christmas. Even when you go to church for Christmas Eve, everybody wears white. If you go to church in Ethiopia, everybody in church, the ladies or even the gentlemen, it's the type of the clothing that I'm wearing right now. It has a scarf, it has a dress, and also you can see there's cross, because it's important to have the cross, and colorful dress. I wish I could be there right now, This is a very special dress for me, because this is my mom. She was making this for a dress, and in the meantime, my mom got sick and passed away. After a few days after the burial, we were sitting in the back house, and there was this that she filed up in a basket. My mom loves yellow color, so I wanted to have the yellow stripe. Then I got a family member to do the cross and the flowering. Then I got a dress out of it. So this is a very special dress for me, for my Ganna. Right now, even when I'm talking, it's funny, my mind went to her, What would she say if she see me doing this? She would be very proud and happy, If you want to add a little bit of water as you saute the onion, because you don't want the onion to be burned. As you can see, the color is changing to yellowish. And you have to keep on mixing it so that way the corner side of it doesn't get burned. This is a very simple dish to make, but also at the same time, it's amazingly tasteful. Christmas in America, I think it's more of things to buy. In my country, it's more of a prayer time, thinking of the good people, helping others, people to help, and there's so much of positive things going on. So there's no stress about shopping. The only thing you have is that you're not gonna eat a lot. I love Christmas even here. I love the decoration and all that. But at the same time, it's too much. It's overwhelming. It's like you almost have to do this. You have to buy things for people. I'd rather give a gift to people who need it, Feed people who needs it. I think that's the difference from what I see from America and Ethiopia. Right now, the onion is done. So I'll put all this water in here and wait for the water to boil. Once you add the salt, you let it boil. I use a whole red lentil. That makes a difference because when you use a cracked one, it becomes so creamy so quick, so you don't want to have that. The water is boiling, as you can see. Now I'm gonna add the lentil. At my restaurant, it's beautiful because a lot of people come to celebrate. I like people in Austin because when you tell them it's Ethiopian holiday, they want to stay longer, they want to celebrate, they will ask you questions. What do you eat at this time? What should we order for the holiday? It's amazing. Most of Christmas I spend in Ethiopia, but when I am here, I invite everybody to come to my house, all my employees also, because most of them are Ethiopians, and we celebrate it just like back home. And they love when I cook, so everybody will show up. I want my kids to remember the holidays that we celebrate. Even though they were born and raised here, they need to know their culture, where they come from. And also Ethiopian Christmas is January 7th. We celebrate again Ethiopian Christmas, so they love that. So they get to celebrate 2 Christmas. See, as you can see, the thickness of the lentil, you have to keep on adding water as you go, because it's almost done. While my Alicha Misir getting ready, it's about to be done, so I'm gonna make the tomato salad, because we always eat the tomato salad for fasting time too. Oh, it looks beautiful. It's gonna taste so good, you might just eat this. So I'm gonna put this jalapeno. It looks too much, but it's not too much. It's just 1 jalapeno you need. I want it to be on top. It doesn't overcook that way. While these jalapenos are cooked, I'm gonna get ready the rest of the dish. I love serving this dish with injera. Injera is Ethiopian favorite bread. It's a type of bread that's fermented, and every Ethiopian have to have this in order to eat their meal. Whatever you give us, unless it's served rice or pasta, we have to have this to eat our dish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll it and I'm gonna cut it, because we're gonna put it on top to use it. Back home, we all have our chore at home. So my chore was to make injera, but they mix it for me already. To mix it and make it my own, I watched and I learned from my mom. And we'll have 1 tray to serve our injera. Since we're gonna share this meal, we're gonna put 1 injera at the bottom, and I'll have a couple of them on this side, a couple of them on this side. The tomato salad also on your injera. I love the injera, actually. I'm hungry now. Just looking at it, you know. We like eating beautiful food. As you see, our food is colorful. I can't just serve it by itself. The side dish is also important, which gives it color. See how pretty it is, even without our lentil? Now we're gonna go to our main dish. You're gonna mix it a little bit without breaking your lentils too much. I just wanna eat it, honestly speaking. But I have to take it out so I can show you how it's done. But I'm ready to roll. I don't know why I cover it. I know I'm hungry. Let me have 1. I'm just thinking of the fasting time before Christmas. My mom coming back from church, when we roast the coffee and the charcoal, all that. So let me taste this. You guys, you're gonna love this. I'm telling you. I'm loving it right now. It's a perfect meal. Even if you eat meat, you're gonna love this. I'm just gonna add 1 more, okay? If you don't mind. This is so good. Just everything comes like a most beautiful flower, and it is so amazing. And I like the tomato salad, the jalapeno, it has a little bit kick to it, so it makes it tasty. Right now, I'm very happy. Can't wait to sit down and eat the whole thing. Happy fasting time.